Jeez. What are you eating for breakfast, Elizabeth? Tell the camera. I'm making a movie. What are you eating for breakfast? Pancakes? Are they yummy? Susie, what are you eating for breakfast? Pancakes? Are they yummy? Hooray for yummy pancakes. Take a bite, Elizabeth. Show everybody how good your pancakes are. Who made those pancakes for you?
Mommy.
What did you tell Mommy? Welcome. What about you, Susie? What do you say when you want pancakes? Oh, that's what you say, is it? Alright. See you next time. Say bye.